Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Is your office space missing the perfect office chair? Well then look no further. I have found it. This office chair from BALIAA is awesome. I love so many things about this office chair. First and most important, it is so comfortable. If you're like me and you work from home, you spend a lot of time in your office chair, so it has got to be comfortable or else it is not going to last. I love that this chair has a lot of padding and cushion, but it's not so cushion that you're not supported, so it really is great for long-term comfort. This one has really nice, beautiful velvet fabric that is not only soft and comfy, but it is wear resistant. It's super durable, really thick. Speaking of this gorgeous fabric, I got it in the green color, but you can get this in several color options and they are all beautiful. I am guilty of being a chronic swiveler. I am constantly swiveling in an office chair, and this swivel function is awesome. It is so smooth. You can spin very easily, and not only is that great if you just like to spin around, but if you're moving from task to task, you can do it very easily. You're not getting hung up on anything, and it just moves really well. This chair won't move unless you're actually in it putting pressure on it, so the chair won't just slide all over the place on its own. And when you are ready to move the chair, it does move easily. I've tried it on a low pile carpet and hard flooring, and it moves really well. I also appreciate that this chair is silent. I have used several office chairs that either creak or squeak or just make some kind of noise, and it drives me crazy throughout the day. This chair is silent. It is well built, easy to put together, and absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking for that perfect office chair, check out this one from BALIAA. It is a great choice, and that's my point of view.